Hi guys, in today's video we are going to review the Expert Automation System. Now, Expert Automation System is a one-click software that helps you automate your entire digital marketing funnel. With this system, you will be able to generate pre-sale page, thank you page, professional sales page, and email marketing follow-up. The entire system is fully hosted and activated instantly, and it requires no technical skills. Also, there is no need of installing the software into your computer. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you can use this system to copy paste your affiliate link and generate an entire funnel in no time. This system helps you save the time and effort required in designing and assembling the funnel. It also helps you save a lot of time which goes in experimenting different landing pages, hosting plans, and email autoresponders. A lot of professional tools like ClickFunnels, Kartra, or Aweber are too expensive and they do not have a lot of features that this system has. Today, we will be discussing some of the features in brief. Apart from the built in high profit sales funnel, you will also be getting a ready made one click promo tool. Now, these tools include pre written swipes and ad copies. You will also be getting social media posts, banner, graphics, and a lot of professional promotional materials. You can instantly insert your link into all of these tools in one click. Then you can simply copy paste your customized tools and use them in your promotions. You will also be given access to an easy to follow guide where you will discover top traffic methods and sources where you can promote your funnel. These traffic methods go hand in hand with these promotional tools and are suitable for a wide range of advertising budgets. So if you have money to spend on traffic, you will learn paid methods. But if you don't have money to spend on traffic, you will learn free methods. You will learn several free methods that can boost your traffic for practically zero cost. You will be given access to exclusive VIP members area where you can access the promotional tools, training videos, and everything on the same dashboard. So, with the same email ID and password, you will be able to access the promotional tools as well as the training videos. There is no need to repeatedly use multiple accounts for multiple reasons. So, if you want to claim your VIP pass, then do check the link in the description below. You will be automatically upgraded to the VIP status, which includes both the one click software and the sales system. You can get access to the VIP area at one time payment of $9.95. So this system is much cheaper as compared to products like ClickFunnels where it costs you at least $100 a month. You will also receive unlimited priority support through their customer help desk. So for a very limited period, the export automation system is available for such a low price. Once there is a surge in demand, this product I believe would be too expensive to buy. Check the link in the description below and get the VIP access to the exclusive members area. So thank you very much and hope you have a great day.